Hi guys, I welcome you again. I'll show you this amazing thing. This is a Japanese maple, and the thing I'll show you today is air layering of this. So this is April, so just 3 months ago in January I put this bag of a sphagnum moss, and you can see the roots are coming out of it. So it is just 3 months, and I was just checking whether the roots are developed or not, and I saw a great amount of roots inside it, and these are very healthy. So if I check that, so these are very mature root, we can say. So this is the time when we are going to remove this part. I will make it as dual trunk bonsai in future. So this is how it worked, and it is amazing. I wanted to share it with you. I was about to cut it down, but I just stopped myself and wanted to share with you guys. So let's do it. So firstly I will just peel out this poly bag out of it without disturbing much roots, and please mind it, because this is not a simple soil. This is sphagnum moss, and I kept this moisture. I maintained it. That is how we got this result. So going forward, if you also are thinking to do something like this, so please make use of sphagnum moss. I found it very helpful. This is my first expedition when I'm trying this, the first experiment, and I completely got succeed in it. Hopefully you will also get succeed if you follow these steps. Yeah, so let's see how the ball looks like. This is all sphagnum moss. This is wet sphagnum moss. And now when I'm trying to repot it, I will also make sure not to disturb too much. Let me cut it down first. Just beneath that, I will cut it from here, and now you can see this is a new plant we have got. Now we have the new plant. You can see that all over the roots are coming out of it. This is amazing. And now I'm going to repot this into this small planter, and it will be look like this. So again, I'm not going to use soil. I will be using sphagnum moss, as I told you. This is the sphagnum moss, and I already make it a little moisture. A little moisture is there, so it is moist sphagnum moss. This is very good. I will just plant this maple cutting into that pot. So before doing that, as you know that the plant has come out of the mother plant, so it has lot of foliage, and the lot of foliage means it needs more food, but at the root will suffer, so we will have to remove some foliage from it, so that it requires a little food. So I will simply just removing the foliage just randomly, just to remove it. There is no specific guideline for this. You can do any way you want. Roots this time cannot provide much food because it will be repotted, and it has been there is a separation from the mother plant, so it will survive. I think this is the good enough. This is the final result. We have one more maple in my bucket now. This is so beautiful. So I kept this in a semi shade, that is why the leaves are still green. If it would have in full sunlight, so it would have completely changed to red color. But you can recognize it with 5 leaves. This is amazing maple. So that was all for the day. Thank you.